What it is, YouTube fam, back with another video. It's your boy Low. Sorry for the wind noise, but it is windy out here. It's about 35 degrees and sunny. But yeah, I'm gonna get right to it. Give y'all some exhaust clips, some revs and all that in this video. Sorry for the wind noise, but it is what it is. Yeah, I got a cold start. First off, you gotta go get some gas. I'm running out of gas, revving this thing up. Where I live at, people like to go fast because like they got a loud car. Then, you know, it's just gonna bounce off the walls around here. But I'm gonna do the same thing since everybody else like to make noise. Show them who's the loudest around here. Yeah, ain't nobody right here. Pops out in front of me. So right now I'm on the highway, driving to my girlfriend's house because I'm about to pick her up, and then we're gonna go to the spot, you know, to get y'all some revs. As I'm cruising on the highway, I'm doing about 60 miles an hour. You know, y'all can barely hear it. Of course, when I get on a little bit just to pick up some speed, you're gonna hear it. But like if you playing some music or whatever, or you talk to the other person, you ain't gonna hear it. But if I really get on it, yeah, you're gonna hear it. But other than that, like it's a smooth ride. You know, it's not any drone. I mean, it's gonna be a slight drone, I guess, when you putting your foot on the gas. But right now, let me see. So I'm got to merge. I'm about to get over. I don't know if y'all heard it, but it's really not bad at all. Like it's not, you know, gonna give you a headache or whatever. I love it. All right, now I'm doing 70 with my foot barely on the throttle. You know, I'm just regularly cruising, staying with traffic. Right now I'm in the fast lane. I can't be any more happier. It's loud when you want it and quiet when you want it. When you're driving around town. When I'm driving around in town, like with traffic and everything, stop and go traffic, yeah, it's gonna be loud because, you know, you're getting on and off the gas. So it is what it is. But I'm cruising right now on the highway. I ain't got no problems at all. And for those who don't know, the kit that I have is the MAK Cat Deletes Kit, and I have the Corsa Xtreme catback. The MAK Cat Delete costs, I believe, like around $300, and for me to get it installed is like another $300. So, and with the Corsa Xtreme, everybody know the Corsa, any Corsa exhaust is very expensive, but you get what you pay for, and it's very high quality. And just shout out to them. All right, next clip is gonna be me giving y'all some outside revs. I say about 2,000 RPMs, and I'm gonna do 4,000, and then I'm gonna do close to Redline. Just like that, that's it. That's it for this video. Make sure you guys, if you like the video, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe if you want to see more, because I definitely got more videos on the way. Also, like I said before in a couple videos, I ain't said in my last two, but I am doing a giveaway. So once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a little $100 gift card giveaway. So
you're trying to give away?
I said that in my last, or not my last two, but a couple videos ago I said that. So if you're trying to get in the giveaway, you have to be subscribed, and you got to follow my Instagram at LooneyLow. Alright? So until then, I'll see y'all the next one. I'm out of here.